Do you love fresh mushrooms but not sure how to choose the best ones? Here's what you need to know. Hello amazing viewers, it's me Femina again. This video is exclusively for beginners who use mushroom for the first time. Mushrooms are unique in the produce section because they are fungi and not vegetables. They are free of cholesterol and contain small amounts of essential amino acids and B vitamins. There are a variety of mushrooms available. Some are poisonous, which may lead to coma and several ill effects. Only the edible mushrooms are for cooking. Button mushroom or white mushroom is the most famous, and it is the only one kind of mushroom available in stores mostly. It is generally composed of a stem, cap and gills. We should be very careful while choosing and buying mushrooms. Pick mushrooms that are firm, plump, without any slimy or spots. Button mushroom have white caps. The wider, the fresher it will be. Choose the ones with short, clean-cut stems and caps that are either closed around the stems or slightly open and with pink or light tan gills. On the underside of the mushroom, the gills should be tight. Gills will spread open as mushrooms age, so buy closed ones. Choose larger one for stuffing and smaller one for marinating. Take a mushroom and wipe it with a clean towel or tissue to remove the mud and dirt. Then remove the stem part which you see in the middle. If you wish, you can remove the gills using a knife, but this step is optional. If you want, you can peel the outer layer completely till you see the white cap. It will look white and clean. Now wash it under the running water and make sure all the dirt is washed off and pat dry. Then cut it into small pieces and use it as desired. Keep unpackaged mushrooms wrapped in a paper bag or a dry tea towel and store it in a refrigerator. Do not wrap in a closed plastic bag. If kept whole instead of sliced, they can last even longer. Don't freeze fresh mushrooms. It will destroy their texture and render them into slime. You may, however, freeze cooked mushrooms. Keep mushrooms away from strong-smelling vegetables such as cauliflower, cabbage and onion. Mushrooms will take on the smell of anything nearby. Let us see some of the interesting facts about mushroom. Commercial mushrooms are grown indoors. They don't need light to grow because they are not plants, so they grow around the clock. Mushrooms grow fast, doubling in size every day. Drizzle cleaned mushrooms with lemon juice to prevent them from discoloring. Mushrooms age more quickly when kept near fruit. Don't clean mushrooms in water for a long time. They soak it up and lose flavor in the process. It is easy to slice mushrooms using an egg cutter. All slices will be equally thick that way. It is possible to fry mushrooms in butter, but it is better to use a vegetable oil like groundnut or olive oil. It is also possible to fry them quickly on a high heat in a dry pan. Here's a tip on how much time to cook mushrooms. So, let's be wise and choose well. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it to your fellow chefs. Thanks for watching. See you next one.